Spencer, give it to the sheep, baby. Spencer, feed the sheep. Spencer, it's for the sheep, not the ducks. Give it to sheep. Give it to the sheep. Good boy. You doing good, Owen? Let them lick it out of your hand. Good boy. Can you show me how they lick it in your hand? Good. Very good. They're so happy, Owen. So happy.